And then turn to Channel 4. Our news presentation will begin momentarily. Please pause for the moment of silence. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for today's news with your WCBS broadcasting crew.
Good morning, Cougars. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, 2015, and today is the National Day for People with Disabilities. My name is Madison Arluck.
And I'm Emerson Smith. Welcome to WCBS News in the Morning. Let's begin the day with our first look weather report with Lillian Crawley.
Good morning, Cougars. It's me, Lillian, with our weather report. It is currently 50 degrees. Today, the high temperature will be 55 and the low tonight will be 38. Let's take a look at the weather map. Today, we will have rain showers early and overcast skies later in the day. Winds will be northwest at 8 miles. Chance of rain, 0%. It's going to be sunny, never mind. Here's an in-depth weather forecast taken right from Kingston's weather station. Sunrise, 7 o'clock a.m. Sunset, 4:47 p.m. Humidity, 54%. Moon phase, waning gibbous. Now back to our news crew with Madison.
Thank you, Lillian. On today's lunch menu, we have corn dog nuggets, pork chop on bun, fresh Caesar salad and flatbread, fruit and yogurt parfait, and roll PB&J sandwich.
The breakfast winner for Wednesday was Gabriel Christopher in Miss Kelly's class. Miss Kelly's class. Congratulations, Gabriel. The cafeteria staff hope you enjoy your stuffed animal.
Students, remember that if you go to the cafeteria for breakfast, you will have a chance to win a stuffed animal. The giveaway ends December 9th.
You will also have your picture taken to get on the breakfast board in the cafeteria.
The cost for breakfast is only $1.40 a day and starts at 8:25 a.m.
And now a special video of an upcoming event at Kingston.
Hi, I'm Kathleen Kennedy, and I'm the producer of Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Today, you'll be working with one of our stars, BB-8. BB-8 is a spherical droid. Everything he does and every movement he makes is controlled by computer software. Computer science impacts every industry, from marketing to healthcare to film. In fact, hundreds of computer engineers work together to make a film like The Force Awakens.
Hi, I'm Rachel Rose. I'm a senior R&D engineer at ILM, and I lead the animation and creature development team. In The Force Awakens, I'm responsible for helping the artists develop rigs, which are the parts of the character that move, that allow the character to look very believable in a galaxy far, far away. In the next hour, we're going to build our own Star Wars game that will teach you the basic concepts of programming. Usually programming is all text, but we're going to use blocks here so that we can drag and drop to write the programs. Under the hood, you're still creating code. After you try the basics with blocks, we'll switch you to JavaScript, one of the most popular programming languages on the web. To start off, we're going to work with Ray to program BB-8 to walk to collect all of the scrap parts. Your screen is split into 3 parts. On the left is the Star Wars game space, where code will run. The instructions for each level are written below the game space. This middle area is the toolbox, and each of these blocks is a command that BB-8 can understand. The white space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we're going to build our program. If I drag the move left block to our workspace and press run, what happens? BB-8 moves left 1 block on the grid. And what if I want BB-8 to do something after the move left block? I can add another block to our program. I'm going to choose the move up block, and I'll drag it underneath my move left block until the highlight appears, and then I'll drop it, and the 2 blocks will snap together. When I press run again, BB-8 will perform the commands that are stacked from top to bottom on our workspace. If you ever want to delete a block, just remove it from the stack and drag it back into the toolbox. After you've hit run, you can always hit the reset button to get BB-8 back to the start. Now, let's get rolling.
So what is Hour of Code, Emerson?
Hour of Code is an event coming to Kingston next week. Everyone in our school will have the opportunity to code for 1 hour in their classroom.
We learned that coding was something like programming.
That's right. It's like using computer language to perform a task or solve a problem.
More information will come out this week on the announcements.
Attention students, the SCA is still collecting pajamas to benefit local children in need.
For every pair of pajamas that are donated, Scholastic, the book fair people, will donate 1 book along with the pajamas to a needy child.
So they get a pair of pajamas and a book? Cool. I guess that's why they call it the Great Pajama Bedtime Story Drive.
Incredible!
The time is now 8:49. Teachers, don't forget to take your attendance at this time. Thank you for your attention. I am Emerson Smith.
And I'm Madison Arlick.
Have a wonderful day at Kingston.
Roar on, Cougars!